Hey my loves, what's up and welcome back. You're watching the Trend Diaries and listening to Nidhi, and I'm back with a fun challenge. Today we'll be doing a full face with only black packaging makeup. I'm super excited for this one. Let's quickly dive in to my vanity and pick all of the black packaging makeup from each category and let's go. So I've dumped all of the chosen products right in this tray. So let's quickly start and get going. For my primer, I chose the Maybelline Fit Me Dewy Plus Smooth Primer. As the winter months are here, I love a dewy base, and this primer is just perfect. And with the black packaging, I pretty love the formula. With that, we come to step number 2, which is an illuminator. So basically, I had just this one, I think, with a black packaging, which is from Mars. It's their Illuminati base. So this is in the variant Pink Beam, and I would simply use it on the high points right there. There you go. I love this product. Again, I've used this so much in the past, but you know, as and as new products come in the collection, you just kind of forget about the old loved ones. These kind of video helps you get back to those products, and you would realize how much you love them. And I think I did not like this variant in the Illuminati one. I like the gold one, and I'm realizing it right away because this is looking quite stark on my face. Okay, once blended, it is not looking as bad as it initially did. Moving on to the next step is a color corrector, and I'll be using this one from Mars again. It is their orange color corrector under their Seal the Deal concealer. It's in the variant 01 Orange, and I would just lightly want to correct right here and here because lately I'm not getting enough sleep. I would like to just use my finger and blend it out. I do not like to go overboard. I go little by little and build the product instead of overloading my face with the base products. So just add little and keep on blending. Color correcting is done. It should almost look like it's not there on your face, though you can see it's slight bit around my mouth because the hyperpigmentation is doing really bad these days around my mouth. But yeah, that's the color correcting part. Post that, moving on to concealer, I'll be using the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Full Wear Full Coverage Concealer. This is in the shade 317 Almond. It has a black packaging again, and it's a beautiful concealer. It's even warm enough to just kind of help me cover up wherever required. So I would do like underpainting with this concealer first. And to blend it, I'm using my Mars brush. You can see my skin right away. It looks so smooth. Like I don't really need a base, but still we'll go with a base because I had a foundation with black packaging. So it's not basically a foundation, but more so like a BB cream, or they call it as a tinted foundation. It's from LA Girl, and I really like this one. I'm the shade Tawny. So let's try it in front of camera today. As all of my brushes have gone for a bath, so I'll be using the same concealer brush, kinda blend this tinted foundation in. How beautiful does the skin look? Just love it. You can definitely build your base if you like so, but I like to keep it very minimal with the amount of product that I'm using. So we'll move on to the next step. Up next, for my cream blush, I've got these new launches from Kiro Beauty and with a full black packaging. So we'll be testing these out today. So with me here are all of the 3 shades in the range. So let's quickly swatch them and then see which I would like to use for today's look. That's how cute the packaging is. Totally in love with the packaging of Kiro products. You also get a lid inside to secure your blush. And there you go, that's the product in a twist up packaging. They are known as the Wonder Wand Multi Sticks. These are the 3 beautiful shades. That's the shade Pink Chiffon. That's Apricot Crush. And the 3rd shade is Vintage Rose. Now these multi-sticks from Kiro are versatile and they can be used on your cheeks, your eyes, and even for a soft flush on your lips. So I'll be using shade number 3, that's a Vintage Rose on my cheeks. Now these blushes have a moisturizing formula that applies smoothly and glide on your skin like butter. Plus they are very easy to blend. Like my blush literally blended within a jiff. And the best part I feel about these blushes is that they have a buildable formula. Literally, these blushes are made to build and made to blend, very airlight on the skin. And the best part was the packaging. It is so convenient and easy to carry. These multi-sticks are infused with rosehip oil, avocado oil, as well as moringa oil. And I feel it's these oils because of which these sticks deliver this natural looking fresh glow on your skin. That radiance is surreal, and I really loved how the formula is on these sticks. Okay, up next, I did not have any contour with the black packaging. I had a cream blush, but I'm like these days not into contouring or bronzing much, so I would just like to skip on that one. Moving to my face, I would like to quickly set my face with the OG, the Fit Me Loose powder from Maybelline in the variant 20, and I'll again just lightly set my face. That's my face all set. For my eyeshadow, I have a new launch from Swiss Beauty right here in a black packaging. So let's test it out together. This palette is known as their Power Stage Royal Tribe eyeshadow palette. It comes with a 20 shades. It is a big palette. You can see right there. Those are all of the shades that you get. Lean towards the neutral and champagne tones. So I would just like to add a soft flush of color on my eyelids. Picking up the shade King right here. Oh, that's pigmented. Oh my god, that has a lot of kickback. Okay. It's pigmented, but the kickback. Okay, I need to go very light-handed with this palette because this is way more pigmented than I thought it would be, and the kickback is a lot. The Mars blending brush, I would pick up a lighter shade of brown to just blend the mess I've created, which is Monarch, and just diffuse the edges to soften it up. Way better. It looks as if we're leaning towards the latte makeup. Anyways, that looks pretty good. It's kind of bringing my brown eyes forward, and I kind of like it. Very lightly underneath my eyes as well. I'm liking the way it's making my brown eyes pop. Okay, so that's all for my eyeshadow is what I feel. Suppose that for my eyeliner, I have two liners, both with a black packaging. I love this one from Maybelline, but I also like this one from NYX, which is the Epic Ink Liner, but this is like full black, so let's like try this instead. You just have to like shake it really well before you use, and I'm not going to be drawing like a proper liner, just like a little liner. On camera, I can never draw my eyeliner without messing up. But yeah, I kind of managed here. I've like messed up. So I'm fixing it with the Maybelline one because I have like more control over this liner. Kind of managed my liner situation. For my brow, I'll be using the Maybelline Define and Blend Brow Pencil. This is in the shade, I think, dark brown. Yeah, it's a natural brown, so it has like a spoolie on one end and an angled product on the other side. Cool, so that is my brow all done. I really like this brow product from Maybelline. I even have the eyebrow gel from ELF, but this shade is kind of light for me. I own the shade Brunette, so it's kind of light brown for my dark hair, so I'm not using this, but I even had like a brow gel. Moving to mascara, using my OG, my fave Kiro Botanico mascara with an all black packaging, and this mascara is just love. So let's quickly coat the lashes. You can see my lashes. I just love this one so much. Post that, moving on to the lips. Now for my lips, I'm having two lip liners with a black packaging. The very first one here is from Sugar Cosmetics. It is in the shade 01. Taffeta terracotta, and that is kind of the shade. It's not even brown. Weird. The shade has like orange tones to it. And the second one is from Color Bar. It's in the shade chocolate, but it is continued. It was a beautiful shade. Confused of what to do, so let's go with the sugar one and see. Okay, that's the sugar liner right there. My lipstick, I'm having a new addition to my collection. I'll be bringing up like 10 to 12 new nude lipsticks video very soon on the channel, and it's one of them. So here it is. It's the Love Earth liquid mousse lipstick. Wanted the shade, I guess, because I didn't own this. This is in the shade Spanish Coffee and looked so beautiful that I purchased it ASAP. How gorgeous the color is. Let's quickly apply it. Oh my god, this shade looks so damn pretty. I'm feeling the latte makeup vibe right now. Just love how this looks. Now let's finish off the entire face with a black packaged makeup fixer from Mars. It's their Wonder Fixer. Again, a good product with a black packaging. There you go. And there you go. That is my full face using products with only black packaging. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. I personally loved how my makeup has turned out to be. It kind of, you know, moved towards the latte makeup challenge as well, along with the black makeup challenge. But anyways, I love how my base has turned out. A minimal yet soft glam, and I totally am in love. Everything just looks on point. Totally loved it. And let me know if you guys enjoyed watching this video as well as the new setup. Let me know in the comments down below, and we shall meet soon in the next one. You can find all of the products linked in the description box. We shall meet soon in the next one. Till then, take care, namaste, and keep trending.